Hi there! And today, the next day of our dance secrets, and the topic is idea. Today, I will share 3 important elements that you need to consider to avoid ruining your amazing idea for a solo performance. So, first but very important thing, in my opinion, I might seem a bit boring, but it works. Trust me. So, the first thing, build the structure of your dance. So you should think about introduction. How will you present your idea to the audience from the very first moment? Please think about this because this is really important. Then development. So develop the main stage or twist of your performance. It's important to change the dynamics and energy. Then we have culmination. This is the moment of highest tension or expressiveness. Conclusion. The ending that wraps up your story or leaves the audience thinking. The second element is the character of moments. Be your story. Think about what kind of moments suit your character. How will you move while expressing these emotions? It's not only the character of the moment that matters, but also their meaning and presentation. So you should feel your character and you should dance your character and feel these emotions. And third element. So explore the idea. You should use associations. Make a list of associations related to your theme and visual images. Searching for references in movies, art, etc. can help strengthen the image and deepen the idea. Sometimes your idea can acquire unique features through inspiration from the work of others, and this is normal. But I'm talking about inspiration, not copying. The audience should read your idea. So you can add some element that will help them understand the essence, key gestures, contrasts, visual symbols. But don't overdo it. Sometimes a subtle hint is better than a blunt copy. By using your idea as a foundation, you create not just a dance, but a piece of art that touches hearts and inspires the audience. So my opinion, the idea is very important thing that helps you to create really unique dance. So please use it. Tell me please, what do you think about this topic? What do you think about the idea? What helps you to create your own idea? What helps you to share it with the audience?